This week on Tales from a Passport, we're stepping off the boat and headed to land with some of our closest friends. This salty crew is ready for a day of adventure in the rainforest as we tighten our harnesses, strap on our helmets, lace up our hiking shoes, and do some canyoneering.
We have never been the type of family that sits by the pool and works on our tan while on vacation.
I'm ready to go.
We have, however, always been the type of family that seeks out the adventure, finds the off-the-beaten-path activities, searches for the extreme, explores the difficult-to-reach places of the world. We are always willing to try new things, at least once.
During our time in Puerto Rico, we all had the chance to go canyoneering. We had to hike a long way up a mountain in the rainforest. We started on a paved road but soon found ourselves walking through mud, rocks, and running water.
So when Stacy, Luke, and Lola came to visit us in Puerto Rico, little did they know they would be joining us on our next big adventure. Canyoneering through the jungle, rappelling the waterfalls, and ziplining through the rainforest. And if Stacy thought we would be lounging by the pool catching up, she quickly found out she was wrong.
You made it, Stacy.
We swam under waterfalls and even had the chance to drink fresh running water.
From here, the trail just got steeper, muddier, and messier. Our shoes were getting buried in the mud, and we had to use ropes to help us along the trail.
Welcome to the jungle, baby.
It was not an easy hike up the slippery creek, but we all managed to escape injury, only to find us at the top of a 100-foot waterfall that we must rappel down. It was fun sharing the first-time experience with our guests. Luke, Lola, and Stacy rappelled down the waterfall like a pro.
You ready, Stacy?
I'm ready.
One waterfall was so big the only way to get to the bottom was by rappelling. Even though it was a long drop, it didn't scare me.
All right. And now, it's my turn.
Then it was a series of zip lines to return us to the creek we hiked up. All in all, it was a day packed with fun and adventure, just the way we like it. I once read a quote, and I feel like it's important to be repeated. It's the way I feel about life. It says, fill your life with adventures, not things. Have stories to tell, not stuff to show.
What about you, Sophie?
Awesome. Ron.
Were you ever scared?
Yes.
What was your favorite thing?
Definitely the rappel.
Rappel? The rappel and the waterfall. That's what was your favorite thing when you did?
Eat raspberries. Dancing bugs.
Dimmer? Favorite thing? What do we do?
Hey, look, there's a slug. Ugh, that thing is ugly.
Do the dancing bug with the dancing bug.
Why are you doing that?